In this video, I will show you how to navigate our Rubicon Atlas curriculum page that contains the draft version of our health and physical education curriculum and will be the platform that will contain all of our district curriculum upon approval. So when you access this link for the first time, it is going to bring you to a landing page. And you can see on this landing page, it gives some information at the top here on how we create curriculum, the framework that we use to design our curriculum, and the various components that make up our curriculum. And under each component, you can see that there's a brief explanation of what a unit summary is or what enduring understandings look like. And so you can navigate back and forth to this landing page if you want more information on the various components that are built into the curriculum. From the landing page, you have a tab here that says All Curriculum. When you click on it, you're simply going to select Browse. On this page, you can see that we have all of our district curriculum, K2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And that curriculum currently is in draft form. So this is not curriculum that's been approved yet, but is curriculum that we are sharing out for your viewing preferences. When this platform is fully launched and all approved district curricula is available for you here, there is a filter box. And the best way to use this filter box, in my opinion, is to select the school that you want to see. So your elementary schools, middle or high, and then the subject you're looking for. At this point in time, as I shared with you, only physical education and health is available to you. But as this page is launched at the end of August, upon board approval of all of our district curricula, you will have other options such as language arts, math, fine and performing arts, so on and so forth. So you'll be able to select what it is you want to view and click Browse, and then you'll be able to see the curriculum that you are interested in viewing. But since that's not necessary at this point, all of the curricula that's available to you at this time is here on this page, so you don't need to use that filter box right now. If you wanted to navigate back to the landing page, you would just click on Sparta Township Public Schools, and that will take you back again to this landing page that explains the various components of our curriculum. So I'm going to go into some of the health and PE curriculum so that you can see what to look for and understand what it means. I'm going to start with grades K through 2, so you can see the curriculum is a live link right here. And when you click on it, you'll see that what you're viewing right now is health and physical education for grades K through 2, and the D represents that it is in a draft form. A few things that you can see on this page is the unit calendar, which is automatically viewable to you, and also the course description. So if you toggle between these tabs, you'll get a brief description of what health and physical education looks like at an elementary level in grades K through 2. If you go back to the unit calendar, which is where you'll automatically be taken, you can see that there are a variety of units here, and you can go into each unit and review the content that each unit is made up of. I want to draw your attention to our family life units. So where there are family life lessons, you will notice that there is an FL next to the unit name. So this shows you that there is no family life unit in kindergarten or grade 1, but there is a family life unit in grade 2. And you can also see on this timeline that between November and March, various classes in grade 2 will cycle through this curriculum, this unit. When you click on it, there are some units, let me just go back to that for a minute. There are some units that are for a set period of time, and there are other units that take place all school year, and they're integrated in all of the lessons. So you can see visually that this is just an example of how instruction is organized over the course of the year. So if we click on a unit, there are a variety of things you can see inside the unit. There's a unit summary, our New Jersey learning standards, and you have these arrows. So if you don't want to view all the information at once, these are another set of standards that are integrated within our content curriculum standards. It will show you as well, along with the landing page, when you get to a certain component of the curriculum, what does enduring understandings mean? What are essential questions? So you can use this eye to get more information on what you're looking for. Again, you don't have to view that all at once. When you are in the learning target section of the curriculum, you will see if there is a family life lesson. And remember that not all units have that family life lesson, so that will be indicated with an FL. In units that have a family life lesson, you will see that the family life lesson is highlighted for you. And that means that this is the portion of that unit where a family life lesson or lessons will exist. So in part of this unit, you'll be learning about all kinds of different things. Again, we're looking at second grade, and that might include why tobacco is harmful to your health. But for the family life lesson, which in this case is only one lesson, you can see what the focus of that lesson will be. As a reminder, for those who may not be aware of this, we've talked about this quite a bit, but in second grade, our family life lesson will be primarily an at-home lesson. And so you can see down here in the instructional materials, there is an at-home lesson. You can click on it and view suggested speaking points that you can choose to use or not. There's simply suggestions on concepts that and skills that relate to the learning targets here in this at-home lesson. In school, we'll be focusing on this component of the family life lesson, which doesn't include any information on sexual health. So that will solely be something that we recommend is dealt with at home. And if you need resources, that is there for you. You will also see that we have instructional resources labeled for you. And again, in this case, some are linked that you can view directly, and some are simply named. So this is an example of a district curricula. If you want to see a different unit, you can simply just click the back button. So we were in Unit 7. If you wanted to see Unit 6, which is first grade health, or Unit 5, which is kindergarten health, again, you would just click on it. You'll see the same exact components, our unit summary, our New Jersey learning standards. And again, in this unit learning target, you'll notice there is no family life lesson. And so that's why there's nothing highlighted. And you'll also notice that when we go back to that original unit calendar, there's no FL next to our kindergarten health lesson. If you wanted to go back to see other grade level curricula, you can just click on Browse Unit Calendars, and that takes you back to this home page. So if I wanted to see something taking place in grades 3 through 5 or grades 11, I can simply click on that, and it's all the same. So you have two options once you get here. It automatically takes you to the unit calendar, or you could look at the course description. And in the unit calendar, once again, you'll notice while there are health lessons, the family life lesson is identified using the FL. And when you click on it, not only do you have all of the components of the curriculum, but you also have the highlighted family life lesson. So this is how to navigate our district curriculum. Again, whatever grade you select, it's set up in exactly the same manner. So you can look at any of these units that all look exactly the same in terms of the components that are available. And if in fact that unit contains a family life lesson, it's noted for you here, and it's broken down more specifically in the unit targets so that you can see exactly what will be taught In this case, you have one lesson in grade 4. You have 2 lessons in grade 5, and you have all of the resources to view, to review and make determinations if, specifically with regard to family life, if the family life unit or lessons are something that you feel you would like your child to be a part of, or of course, another option they will have is to take part in the extended health lessons. So there are choices built in and options for families based on their needs. If you have any questions about using the platform or any of the curricula, please reach out to me, and I am happy to work with you and give you as much information as I can to help you navigate the needs that you have. Thank you for your time.